Hello YouTube, welcome to our channel Mahitex, and today we are going to see a new video about how to install Proxmox server. For that we need two files actually, the Proxmox server ISO file and then Etcher app to build the bootable USB. Both of the links will be there in the description, so you just can go directly there, download the files. For the sake of this video, I have already downloaded these two files and I have stored it in my downloads folder. Now as you can see there, now I am dragging both of the files to the desktop, and then now from here we are going to install Baleno's Etcher app. For that I am using Mac OS here, so double click the file and then this window will be there. Drag from the left hand side and then release it in the applications folder, so automatically the app will be installed into your applications folder. Since I have installed it already, so it is asking me to replace the files. So we will give it some time. It is installing the files, and this Balena Etcher app is one of the best apps that you can find for Mac OS for creating bootable USBs. So those who are using Windows might be aware of Rufus tool, so it is just like that, one of the tools. So we will just close out of it, and then to open the Etcher app we will go to the applications folder, and then from there open Balena's Etcher app. So what this app allows is to create the bootable USB of our Proxmox server. So now as you can see there in this app, first we want to select our install image, so which is there in our desktop, Proxmox version 6.1. So and then I have inserted my SanDisk USB stick, and then just simply click on flash and you want to enter your password. Now the flashing process will start. Since the ISO file is very small in size, it will complete very fast. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and ring the bell icon so that you will be notified every time we will post a new video. Please do subscribe to the channel, it helps us a lot. And now the flashing to the USB drive is almost done. Once it is done, it will automatically go through a validation process to check whether all the burning process is correct. So now it is verifying it. Once it has been done verified, we are good to go. The USB is ready to install. We'll just wait some time. Yep, I believe it is done. Yes, flash is complete. So we just close out of it. Now I will take my USB stick and insert into my PC, and then I will power on the system. Now I am mashing F8 key to go into the boot menu, and as you can see there, I am going to select my SanDisk USB drive. So now you can see install Proxmox VE. So we are going to install it. So now it is asking us to accept the license agreement. As you can see there, we are installing it in our 500 GB hard disk. Going to click next there, and then we are going to enter the country details, India, Then next, now we are entering a password for the server. You want to remember this password because later we are going to access the server with this password, so do keep in mind. Now I have entered the password and I am going to give a mail ID. Just simply I am going to give it as mail@example.in or something like that. The next step of this installation is we are going to set the host name. For this server I am going to just give it the name as server.local. I am going to change the IP address to 192.168.1.1, and then I am going to change our gateway to 192.168.1.2. These are my settings. Probably your settings will be different, so no need to worry there. Next, I will click on install. This will take somewhere around, I believe, 3 to 4 minutes. So let's not waste the time. So I will fast forward the process. Once it is complete, now we will be back. Now if this helps you a lot, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video and ring the bell icon so that you will be notified. Please do subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot. So as you can see there, the install is running very fast. So it is going to complete soon. We will just wait for the installation to complete. Once it is complete, you can see that it gives us an IP address where we can access the server. Just note it down. Now we are on another machine, so I will just launch a web browser now and then just type in the IP address that the server gave us. So in this case it is https://192.168.1.1:9006, which is the port number. So it is asking us to allow it. So click advanced and continue. Once it is done, you can able to see the login ID. So for the username, give root, and for the password we gave in the installation. So now as you can see, we have successfully logged into our Proxmox virtual server. Here we can see our node server, and then in the summary we can see that we have successfully installed and the resources of the system. The next video in our channel will be how to create a virtual machine in our server. For that you have to stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and ring the bell icon. And there are lots of content coming in your way in the coming days. So please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.